Your bushing from Makwa by the back in Sports. I will YouTube, King Sports, TikTok, also video now, we share now like and subscribe and mean our course. Eddie Amaye. Abushia for and the days we a boy with a crobia, Kumasi, Asante Kotoko, so near the update. Current update, I will in Anna at the Abremo or Kotoko camp. As you Kotoko, Juman de year, yes, I in year because Kotoko must be great again. Hashtag Kotoko must be great again. Nti ena so ye boy wura e crop ya Asante Kotoko a ensem kakra ho ena edi firi wo ebrem yi ensem e wo Kotoko aso ye ne se eye Peter Amidu Akwa Peter unum say this season ena no contract no eba wiye after o sign 3 years adema crop ya Kumasi Asante Kotoko the contract nyina aba wiye ewo eye Kumasi Asante Kotoko na ye na Midiama Sporting Club Egbewura eye Peter Amidu Camp say omope no yes Midiama so mpe Peter Amidu Akwa na be si akan e de amo because you know say next season Midiama ekosi akan wo CAF Champions League ti Midiama Egbewura eye Peter Amidu Akwa aso ye so omope no din na omone ne aye adwuma e Midiama because the contract with eye Kumasi Asante Kotoko no aba na wieye asisi ya no only contract bia with Asante Kotoko. Nti Midiama Sporting Club are interested in signing Peter Amidu Akwa. When the first update and the first information out, na Peter Amidu Akwa asema ye kanyan. Emre bi mbeka kire mu say anana otwi mbeka kire mu say Mr. Stanley Menzo Kotoko sporting director. And as a director of football videos be from Asante Kotoko previous matches as players on ehweye na or identify one or two players be wo ma who say players no oni omu ye adwuma ebebo onu ko oni director no Stanley Menzo ebebo no pa no one of these players are Appoint you man so obuso omo ase one of them Peter Amidu Akwa. So Mr. Stanley is also interested in working with Peter Amidu Akwa. Mr. Stanley Menzo is very interested in working with Peter Amidu Akwa. Into openi aka kire Asante Kotoko company for say ekwan bia ombefa so a omone Peter Amidu Akwa bekasa na omama ne new contract na wotumi ne Kotoko aye adwuma no anka nani baji ho yie pa nti aka kire Kotoko company for say omone abrante ne nkasa na nka onsan ensi akwan anaso ensi akan emfama krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko na dia papa na kan fa Peter Amidu Akwa say he's a very good player, he just need a slight polishing onya nyoma kitingiti polishing kitingiti bi and he will be good for European market. Asama Mr. Stanley Menzo adi tudwa afa Peter Amidu Akwa no o say Peter Amidu Akwa ye good onimbo no bo ohia some small polishing some small touches bi ombe cheche nyoma kitingiti bi na wabeye the complete player and he will be good for European market. Ani asama Mr. Menzo akandi afa Peter Amidu Akwa na Peter Amidu Akwa ye kana asemi we say the management so pese so vi park academy the management so pese anka ombeton na akwa ama na no manye sika kakra e di abo omutim no ho bra ai enti Peter Amidu Akwa no 1 Midiama for epeno 2 Asante Kotoko board of director enyaya anka omone abrante ne bekasa na wadumi asan another contract ama Kumasi Asante Kotoko no na omo aye adwuma because abrante ne gine ho 3 the management eso pese anka ombeton abrante na akwa ama no ne na aja omo anye sika kakra di abo club no anase omutim ho bra nti we ne nsem kakra every Peter Amidu Akwa Mr. Permenzo say Peter Amidu Akwa need a slight and I say small polishing be and he will be good for European market just polishing what's idea no da ho mpabone da ho ehun ayefi ohie with the polish na wotu ho shine na wo say wo hweko ba bia wo say wa hye mpaboa nti Peter Amidu Akwa na ye player but ohia small polishing and he will be good for European market nti asema Mr. Permenzo akache Kotoko company for say omone Peter Amidu Akwa enkasa se na be ya ombenye na mede be sia kan e de ma Kumasi Asante Kotoko dey him say Kumasi Asante Kotoko omai ma so omba appoint foreign coach asa foreign coach appointment so eye opani Mr. Stanley Menzo en na ehye ne so no be ya appointment no on no be appointment no for a coach for club ya Kumasi Asante Kotoko you see I can say opani dey obu ne ketem ko no krom okoboaboa ho no wa resume fully obe Kumasi Asante Kotoko fully nti ombra no na eja coach no so abana chese omo abatutu nyoma na adwuma no astarte nti he will appoint the coach, he will interview the coach and no be lead the appointment of Kumasi Asante Kotoko next coach and the coach no onye Ghanaian base or a foreigner nti eno so ene ensem kakra ho na busuafo asem ba kwa person ka che Asante Kotoko supporters ne say next season ye best start Asante Kotoko target is not to win Ghana League or not to win FA Cup. Asante Kotoko, omu priority is not to win the league or the FA Cup. Se nyame ya adom ana se nyoma ko yie na so omu win ya fine, omu win the league na fine, omu win the FA Cup na fine. But yen supporters yen fancy etim say Asante Kotoko next season your target no say we put things in place. Players no ebetumi ya hyehyɛ nyoma akoyie ade ama players no motumi asi akan yie so mu bom hu modern na se yegi trophy na ana se yegi Ghana Premier League na fine ana se yegi FA Cup na fine but then fancy team say next season eye league na start na Kotoko entumi andi trophy a yen supporters dey nya abotre emfa man penifo na omo de nyoma egu akan se na be ya Kotoko will be the Kotoko we know nti we na nsem kakra free impedifo adema aye Kumasi Asante Kotoko supporters nti yemfa we so nti ya so Kotoko next season is the real burden na ye no yemfa share to see yen win league yen win FA Cup na yemfa share to a real burden and yes na be Kotoko will be great again. Lastly, Kotoko may appoint former player for Asante Kotoko as the assistant coach. Kotoko may appoint Kotoko ex-player as an assistant coach and Abrante friend and answer papa friend GODWIN ABLORDE and then penify margin say nyoma to turn up nyoma ko year he will be appointed as the assistant coach for club here Kumasi Asante Kotoko nti wene ensema ese free GODWIN ABLORDE aso we so waye adwuma ma Kotoko pen waye adwuma ma class bre na nti ya yenya ne se coach ayebe power no head coach ayebe power no na assistant ayebe fan man ne na ye adwuma wo club ya Asante Kotoko GODWIN ABLORDE as assistant coach for club ya Kumasi Asante Kotoko debusuafo we ne sem kakra fi club ya so edeba na nsem ya make Richardo Pepe Suarez so wo mu nkire mu bebre a odebrai umre ngotie Richardo Suarez Pepe ni abasan do sisi a fantastic
to be impressed with foreign so I'm surprised I'm example
Richardo Pepe Suarez the fella man
Asante Kotoko player ne dey Peter Amidu Akwa ya ne contract eba wiye Mediama Sporting Club abawra sa deal Mediama Sporting Club my brother Mediama was my brother Omabawra Peter Amidu Akwa.
Fantastic.
So munya Peter Amidu Akwa. 87.9. No one never out the CAF Champions League. Peter Amidu Akwa makada da bebo so me ngotwini na mkacho say he will not extend his contract with Kotoko.
Yeah.
In fact, Asante Kotoko football director or share videos kakro buza say player we away. Ni age you saying
Stanley.
Yeah, Amidu Akwa age. I catch him they say the last under 20 cry a friend no say where is he? I know more charges on the contract no. Abe you know buza say yentimi extend it. Because or young. Born or no say akwadani ni mbo.
Yes.
Or some polishing and a little bit of coaching and he will be ripe for European market. We are sama Stanley Eka at the far branch.
Nice one.
And he Asante Kotoko may go in all out once again. So I'm try to extend it and say omu contract na nya wu awie into extension and a renewal on be renew abranche contract no omo be hwe so omo betimi but den ni nyina ne se
Mediama tete ho.
enya mediama de no kwa Park Academy no free buy no.
Okay.
Pascal no enya ombe hu no akwa abonten na sika ba momo de aye enuma yi omunya ombe ton branch na akwa abonten eti Park Academy ena akoda no oye omu player ena obo ko 3 years na 3 years na so but on the personal managerial level omo an handle edemano.
Okay.
Inti omunya omde be kwa abonten Japan, that's the first priority. And last season numbers, you know, Eboa Amidu Akwa. On your double figures in terms of goals and assists in all competitions. We are winning now class at double figures now. Ye koton abon terms of Bayana nya din bebrebe. So Peter Amidu Akwa, Asante Kotoko boy no, Midiema Sporting Club. I show interest at the after the management so munya omo ad never call the CAF Champions League. Abisha pesa me champion.
Richard Pepe shall arrest the fella man.
And no na me catch us Kotoko. Ebe set up a proper academy system.
Yes.
Proper academy. Not a youth team. Youth team there and na Hamza abaye ho adwuma e de ma Asante Kotoko no.
Yeah.
And na dem gina of kasa fidie kase so ka say the greatest achievement Kotoko management bia in the last 10 years enya say adwuma na penkra eye no because eyade a na kurowura timura akatro mo saso mo nye. I don't know the impediment minim de na je mo ntimenye. And na penkra defy all odds. And in the last 2 seasons why establish Kotoko youth team no.
Fantastic.
Say there the current board episode mo de a proper academy 8 years for 10 years for 12 years for 14 for omode no eba and unti na me catch us obuko pie mu ewo Obuasi Ofori Park Dr. Kwamba Nyako eko bie no obja.
Yes sir.
Coach anything ade Menzo Stanley eko back to the base ewo Netherlands na okwa ko prepare oko boa no ho no aba abeye adwuma no.
Okay.
Stanley ebe barona Kotoko head coach na Japan omawie a foreigner ma me confirm informa Asante Kotoko efa head coach or a foreigner.
Okay.
Coach no a believer of the total football system or you be or the same beliefs aspirations like Kotoko director of football. And this appointment is being led by the director of football.
Fantastic.
Kotoko board need 2 years efa players in some coach in some be a football related piano and now Asante Kotoko no decision is taken by the director of football Stanley Menzo, then it will be approved or ratified by the board of directors. Na omaja tu neno ano.
Nice one.
Se baby a Kotoko ebebo ne ball ne ade nyina Japan ye ho nkomo ahyase. Now ni manu a omudi nkomo about Kotoko pre-season plan no. Ane baby on be pre-season no.
Wow.
Yeah. Omudi eno ho enkomo.
Asante Kotoko yi.
Kotoko pre-season plan.
I said they are coming back.
This season I expect lawyer Alex Kofi Oseusu to start senye okay omeka so open news to so on kasa. O de opekra ne Kotoko media team no kasa. No they ato Kotoko YouTube page o. Say Kotoko X handle no they ato. Kotoko Facebook page no they ato. Now on explaining the vision of the board and term emfanchere echita for mpanyini se uburu nso ne ntama na oni yakoko. The mema tia minim ne Japan next season. Kotoko will not be chasing a trophy next season. A bar on Beji. But the ambition of Kotoko next season will not be a mad chase for Ghana Premier League or the FA Cup. No. A foundation lay next season.
Rebuild Yana.
Of course, I'm trying to rebuild the Kotoko to the level now. And I know this board will be given or has been given about a 5-year mandate. If you want to do rebuilding, obviously the first 2-3 seasons, the start of your rebuilding. Then by the 3rd year, 4th year, you start results. No say eba. But as I'm communicating in terms of chitafo, buy into the idea. So the buyer, obi ntimi influence a chitafo no em 10 against the management. No,
Nice one.
if you don't communicate, and the people will tell you the standard of Kotoko, and the minimum standard at Kotoko and Hatchefuk is to win the league and the FA Cup every season. Yes, yeah, there's what Geno, Kotoko, Hatchefuk. It is the minimum standard.
Sure.
It is the minimum expectation. But the Memate, I don't know. And Stanley Menzo is in the process of recruiting coach at the Asante Kotoko.
Nice one.
Now the minimum Kotoko, former player Baku. Ebeba ababaye Kotoko assistant coach no.
Wow. Former player.
Yeah, former captain.
Former captain.
Waye Kotoko team manager paying.
Aha.
Na near den.
Aha.
No ni penalty ball on say no.
Ah.
No ni penalty ball.
Ah. And the devil.
Kabiru mame champion GODWIN.
Champion.
Champion eh?
Champion.
You see, there's something special about GODWIN ABLORDE. Also, on Michael Osei, the late Michael Osei. No, Michael Osei.
Oh, okay, coach.
Shize, the late. On any Juma Ewo Kotoko.
Yeah.
Oh, free. Sometimes na did the head coach, you know. Michael be assistant, you know. Now ABLORDE and a team manager, no. In fact, Kotoko under Steve Pollack. Now ABLORDE. Okay, I say Kotoko accident no mkunya na ABLORDE.
Yeah.
I was bas. In fact, not the front. Na no question me wobni say Oko Gold Stars no ne Michael Osei na koye. Omuja Michael Osei kwan no. Omu ko fast Stephen Frimpong so by. Frimpong so anya issues with ABLORDE, so they maintain him as the assistant.
Okay.
And we hear Juma no muja Frimpong man so kwa no mkofa Broni by. Broni by no still o maintaining ABLORDE as assistant. Eh ade kire say he is able to adapt and adjust. And penifo pe obi a Obabaya Asante Kotoko assistant coach. Initially no person team manager somebody go for catch up the team manager ABLORDE abroso. Okra CAF license A since 2017. I mean, that's a champion license A.
Wow.
Since 2017, and Okra CAF license A certificate. No. And ABLORDE, ebet me apa. Answer coach Bashir Ford, every Heart of Lions.
Yeah. Yeah.
Said Daniel Nia J. Asante Kotoko beka ho a. Abuya kai se maka kire. En command doors ye face ya.
Wow.
Na ye ntoso. Emfa enfiri higher akoma 87